Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. And today's our topic, we are going to make a tennis ball in SolidWorks. And in this exercise, we are going to learn Revolve tool, 3D sketch, convert entities, and split line and sweep cut. Okay, if you have any doubts, then please comment and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So let's start. So firstly we select front plane and normal to go to sketch and draw a circle. Tennis ball diameter is 65 millimeter. So we take this diameter as 65 millimeters. Okay. Click the line and make a horizontal line. Okay. Now go to trim and trim the extra line and finish. Okay, now go to feature and revolve. Click on the line as a axis and click OK. Okay, now go to front plane again and normal to and go to sketch. Now draw a center rectangle. Okay, okay, and take a arc. Take a arc, 3-point arc. First point, second point, and click on the this point. Make a relevant arc. We are not giving the any dimension to this. Okay, now trim the extra portion, delete this line also, and click finish sketch. Okay, now go to feature and go to curve and take split line. In selection we have to select the sketch and face to split, select the face and OK. Okay, now go to sketch and click 3D sketch. Okay, and select split line 1 and convert entities. Okay, again go to sketch and click 3D sketch, go to feature again and swept cut. Now in profile and path select circular profile. In path click the 3D sketch and the diameter is 3 millimeter and click OK. Now we have to give our tennis ball color. Select this face and go to appearance and select fabric and select cloth. In cloth section you have to select canvas. Okay, now go to canvas and select edit appearance. Okay, and select color, and as per RGB color of tennis ball the code is 223 and 255 and 79. Click OK. So you can see our tennis ball is complete. If you have any doubts then please comment and please like, share and subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.